TikTok's potential is limitless. Over 90% of users visit the app daily, with 3 billion or more global installs. 1.5 times higher likelihood of making purchases via TikTok, and there are more than 150 million monthly active users in the US. TikTok offers an unprecedented opportunity for your business to engage with a diverse and enthusiastic audience. AIYA team comprises passionate and highly skilled experts committed to delivering top-tier digital marketing solutions. Our primary objective is to facilitate your success in the realm of digital marketing, enhancing brand awareness, expanding audience reach, and maximizing sales and revenue. Our TikTok marketing service includes 1. Creating marketing strategy. Our team specializes in crafting precise account positioning and strategy formulation, ensuring your brand has a tailored and effective presence. 2. Quality content creation. We excel in creating compelling content, from scripting engaging videos to providing expert guidance during filming, ensuring your brand's message is delivered effectively. 3. Account engagement. We manage and facilitate active engagement on your accounts, fostering interactions with your followers to build a loyal and responsive community. 4. Ad campaign management. Our creative minds drive successful ad campaigns, crafting imaginative and impactful ad content that resonates with your target audience. 5. Influencer marketing. We specialize in distinctive influencer marketing, connecting your brand with influencers who align perfectly with your message and audience. 6. Analytics and insights. We provide comprehensive data analysis, offering insights through in-depth review and analytical reports, ensuring your strategies are continuously refined and optimized for maximum impact. Now is the time to harness this potential and take your digital marketing to new heights. AIYA's dedicated team of experts is here to guide you every step of the way. Don't hesitate, seize the TikTok opportunity with AIYA. If you're interested in learning more about business operation strategies, please follow AIYA Technology or call 888-622-0811 to consult with a dedicated specialist.